Rios, and I'll be showing you guys all of my little fits that I'll be wearing for this mini vacation. So I have this beautiful dress, SHEIN. It's very long and gorgeous, nice aqua color mixed with a little black and I don't know what kind of color is that, little green and blue. Very, very cute. I'll show you guys the full fit outside, but I'm really loving this dress. Cute little cleavage, not too much, not too little, it's just perfect. So this is my day one outfit, and yeah, this is what I'm working with, and I'll be rocking it with my cute little blue sandals, and yeah, that's it. Bare face, no makeup, you know, just add a little color to my lips since I'm not wearing any makeup. So yeah, that's what I have for today. Day one, love it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
You know that I want to be good for you. You know that I want to be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad.
So we're on to day 2, and it's morning time. It's almost 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna head to breakfast. Breakfast locks at 10:30. So this is what I'm be wearing today, this cute, colorful, you know, 2-piece set. This is a skirt, removable of course, and then the 1 piece. This piece is from SHEIN. It's very cute. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was on sale and I got it. Very cute. Yeah, I'm in love with this. So after breakfast, probably just gonna chill by the beach or the pool for the rest of the day. I am also working as well, so I'm on a vacation while working. So love this 2-piece. See, it has the ring, and let me show you the bottom. You have the nice design here, the ring design here, the ring design in the center. So cute. So this is it. I'll catch you guys later.
Wanna be mad on things you do, but sometimes I need what's best for me.
So we're at day 3, and this is the outfit that I have on currently. A 3-piece set. This swimsuit is also from SHEIN. It's either from ROMWE or SHEIN, but I'll let you guys know that. I'll just add it on the screen. So last night now, I totally forgot to show you guys what I have on. Damn, my belly looks so big. I totally forgot to show you guys what I had on last night, but I'll just add a picture of that dress from the website. Yeah, it's from SHEIN as well. It's just very, you know, cute and simple, that's all. I had a great night last night. I do have a hangover right now, it's crazy. But yeah, so back to what I'm wearing for today. Cute little, you know, swimsuit, loving the colors, giving dark, giving brown and black and a little bit of white, and this cute cover up that I have on as well. So yeah, this is the outfit for today. Yeah. Oops, no ass, guys, no ass. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. For the week, basically have on a cute boyfriend jeans. The jeans is from SHEIN. Well, all my entire outfit is from SHEIN. So I got this cute boyfriend jeans. This top, it was actually a dress. Let me give you the story with this dress. So it was basically a dress. It's in XL, and when I got it, it couldn't fit. Like, there was no stretch in the type of material that it is. There's no stretch at all. So I basically had to take it to the tailor and had him adjust it and just basically turn it into a top instead of a dress, because the dress could not, you know, reach up to my hips at all. So I basically just add the top, put it in the pants, and yeah, this is the fit. And then I also have a cute little black heels going on. I'll show you guys the fit when I go outside. Bam. So I appreciate you guys for watching.